Gold users can now speed up their nutrition tracking with our AI-powered photo logging feature. To get started, tap the orange plus button at the bottom of your screen, then select Photo Logging. You can snap a picture of your meal or upload one from your photo library. Cronometer will analyze the image and suggest a list of matched food items for you to review. Tap the swap icon to replace an item with a similar match. Adjust serving sizes by tapping on an entry, or swipe left to delete. Reviewing your entries is key to getting the most accurate results. Once you're happy with your entries, tap Add to Diary or tap Create to save it as a custom meal or recipe for faster logging next time. Happy tracking!